Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's video I'm going to show you a cheap, quick and easy hack to attach the Ulanzi CU01 camera cooling system to the Sony A5100, A5100, and hopefully solve the issue of the A5100 overheating when recording video. The Sony A5100 is known for overheating when recording video before you reach the maximum record time, which is 29 and a bit minutes. In fact, mine shut down recently from overheating at 21 minutes and at 24 minutes. I recently installed an app on this A5100 which allows you to deactivate the maximum record time. However, why would you want to do that if it overheats and shuts down before it gets to the 29 and a bit minute limit? Well, after doing some research on Google and YouTube, I came across a fan manufactured by Ulanzi, which had suction caps on the rear to be able to attach it to the rear of your camera. However, in those videos they also mentioned that those suction caps dried up after a while and the cooling fan fell from the camera. However, I also came across this. This is the Ulanzi CU01 and it's called a Thermostatic Semiconductor Camera Cooler Kit. I have it here, and as you can see, it comes in two parts. This video is not sponsored, and I paid for the Ulanzi CU01 with my own money. But I must admit that I do love Ulanzi gear. The CU01 cooling system does not have suction cups on the back. What it does have is this ingenious spring-loaded arm, which allows you to be able to insert the unit into the space which the rear screen of the camera normally occupies when you open it. And this attachment works really well on my Panasonic Lumix S5, which has a fully articulated rear screen. However, the Sony A5100 only has a flip-up screen, and it doesn't have this little frame here which a fully articulated screen has. And therefore, the ingenious arm has nowhere to grip onto, meaning that I could not attach the CU01 to the rear of my Sony A5100, which was the main reason why I bought it. So I began to think of ways that I could attach the CU01 to the rear of my Sony A5100 by using elastic bands or magnets or other weird ideas. Then I thought to myself, if the CU01 uses this ingenious arm to be able to clip into the frame on cameras with a fully articulated rear screen, using each side, the left and the right, maybe I could attach it, because I have a frame here at the top, and on this side, maybe I could attach it by using some type of frame on the bottom. So then I thought, as I use the Ulanzi claw quick release system on my cameras and on my tripods, and as the camera part of the claw system protrudes a little, perhaps I would be able to use that as the bottom frame, because as you may be able to see here, there is quite a ledge on that camera part of the Ulanzi claw system. However, it wasn't to be, because when I tried to screw the camera part of the Ulanzi claw system to the bottom of my camera, the screw wasn't long enough. So being really disappointed and sad that my brilliant idea hadn't worked, I decided to persevere. And the following day, I went to my local hardware store and I asked for 3 different length 1/4-inch screws. The first a little longer than the one which came with the claw system, the next a little bit longer than that, and the third a little bit longer than that. So I took the CU01 cooling unit itself without the battery on, I put it into the gap at the rear of my Sony A5100 with the flip screen up, and then I began to screw in the camera section of the Ulanzi claw quick release system with that longer screw, and just kept my finger firmly on the front so that it held position. And as you can see, bingo, it is attached. So now, what I have to do is take the battery, clip it on there with the magnets, and there I have the Ulanzi CU01 cooling unit attached to the Sony A5100, and pretty firmly as well, because if I pull on it, it doesn't seem to want to come out. Now I'm sure there must be other hacks as well to attach this Ulanzi cooling system to the rear of the Sony A5100. If you know of one, please share it with us in the comment section down below, and also any other comments or questions which you may have. Interacting with my channel is a great way for me to know the kind of content that you would like me to create in future videos. So now the big question. Does the Ulanzi CU01 Thermostatic Semiconductor Camera Cooler Kit allow me to record for a longer period of time using my Sony A5100? If you want to know the answer to that, please click on the link up here to watch my short video test. You'll find affiliate links to all the gear used in the making of this video, as well as the Ulanzi CU01 cooling unit in the description section down below. If you do decide to purchase something through one of my affiliate links, thank you. The price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. If you found this video useful and interesting, please click on the like button and share with friends and family who may also be interested in the content. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please remember that subscribing is completely free for you. So please subscribe to my channel and also ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.